All right, guys, the next one is the orbit. It's just a bunch of loops. Okay, you do it 3 times. Don't get dizzy. Make sure you count. So familiarize ourselves once again. Throw 3, 2, 1. So it's just a bunch of loops. All right, so here's one loop. Okay, turn that head, turn that head, turn that head, turn that head. So here's 3, or 2, I'm sorry. And then this last one, now that we passed number 2, we're gonna exit out. All right, here we go, warm up. Okay, I wonder if I can cut these, like really close, friction zone, throttle control. That's 1, friction zone, throttle control, kind of give it a little bit of bursts of speeds here and there, you know. 2, all right, last one, we're gonna exit out. So I'm looking through the corner. Let's see if that helped. 19, okay, cut off about 1.5 seconds, 2 seconds. Let's try that again. It worked, so we're gonna do it. Here's for time. I don't wanna hit a cone. I messed that up. All right, number 2. I'm using my right knee on the gas tank to hold myself in place. All right, let's see, 19, okay. Well, it's still better than 21. That's a longer one. It takes a little bit more time and effort, but you're practicing your cornering.